How to fix invite collaborator option not showing on Instagram. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to learn how we can solve the invite collaborator options not showing on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to fix if the invite collaborator option isn't showing on Instagram, let's say you've been trying to invite someone as a collaborator. First of all, make sure that your account is not private. Sometimes because your account could be private, you could be having that issue. Other is, by now everyone should have gone and had this feature. Now just check if the Instagram app has an update available and if you're using the latest version of Instagram, because if you aren't, chances are that option could be missing. Go to your Play Store, your App Store, and then open it up now, update it, and next time whenever you try to post something, it should definitely give you an option to basically invite someone as a collaborator. When you go to tag people, then go to invite collaborator. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.